doing, Riley? Are you putting that bolt in? The drill? Huh? Look at you go. Not so hard. Whoops. That's okay, we'll get it. You gotta start the threads. Can you start the threads? Want me to help you? Do one at a time. Daddy help?
Daddy help.
Right here. Here, let's start the thread. You gotta turn it to the right. Now give me the other one. Line it up. Bring it closer. Okay. Get your drill. Whoa! Where's that going, buddy? That's why you got turned around the wrong way. Here, let me help you. Okay. Now it should go. Get it? Pick it up. No, don't do that. Yeah, push the button. There it goes. Oh. Let's do the other one. Oh, not so hard. I think the thread's going in crooked. Woo! Oh, almost. Oh, your hand's under there. Here, turn around. You flip the thing, now you're going to pull it out. Like that. Good job, buddy.